What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at AMD. We have NVIDIA earnings coming out today. AMD is definitely the little brother that should be looking to kind of follow suit with whatever happens on NVIDIA. So, right now with earnings, NVIDIA premiums are juiced, right? So very, very expensive to kind of play this. But if you want to kind of piggyback and play another semiconductor, AMD is definitely one of those good semiconductors to kind of follow. By the way, guys, please, at the end of this video, like, comment, subscribe if you guys did enjoy the technical analysis. Now, what we're looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. I do have some supply and demand zones kind of marked out. Now, these are just some supply areas off of the daily chart. What I'm looking at here off the daily chart is I want to see the range. I want to see, the overview of where potentially we could be heading with this particular name. Now, if we look at the daily chart and you kind of go back, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, this 122.11 area definitely acting as that high price, but the 20 SMA is trending to the upside. The hourly candles here taking out a previous hour candle look very, very bullish. Now, is this just a run to the top of the zone before we kind of pull back down into that 115, 116 spot? Maybe. But if we do start to clear and we start to break out over 122, we're going to be looking for our next leg higher. So if you're going to want to play AMD, NVIDIA, you're going to want to play these to the long side. What we want to see here is we want to see this breakout over the 122. Now, I don't see any real potential downside break of structure, any technical damage until we were to close below 116. So all in all, we're definitely very bullish. Right now, I would still be looking to buy these pullbacks until the bulls prove us wrong. So what does that mean? Look at the pullback we had here going back to last Wednesday. We pulled back, we consolidated sideways, we washed out in the pre-market, and then we shot up. We pulled back, lost the 20-day moving average on a 1 hour time frame, and we shot up. Pre-market here, pulled back, lost the 20-day moving average, and we shot up. So each pullback is pulling back, consolidating, shooting higher. Pull back, consolidate, shoot higher. Pull back, consolidate, shoot higher. So this little pullback that we had here today, 8 o'clock, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, pulled back into the intraday rising 20-day moving average on a 1 hour time frame and is starting to push higher. So if you notice on the daily chart, and I'm going to show you guys this daily chart here, I'm going to kind of zoom in. Look at the candlesticks on the daily chart. Extremely, exceptionally bullish coming off of, from October the 26th, right? We had those October 26th lows. We consolidated sideways for a few days. We had a big candle here off the earnings and this nice kind of grind higher. We haven't really had any significant pullback into our rising 20-day moving average on a daily time frame. That's okay, as we do have these levels set in place. So notice on my daily chart, this demand zone that I have here was a prior area of resistance before shooting down. Notice the bottom support that I have here was the lows that we put in on the 26th. So this starts to paint a picture as the price action starts to move along. Notice that these highs going here from the October the 12th, notice how once we broke out over them, we consolidated sideways for a couple of days, pushed into the next area of resistance before breaking out. When we broke out of the 119, 120 area, we pulled back where? To that same exact breakout spot. Gapped up higher, put in the blow off top here at 122, pulled right back where? Into this 115, 116 area, and now have been on a 3-day kind of slow grind uptick. So if we're looking for the next move, we're looking for the next breakout, it's going to be over 122.10 here on AMD. So if you are sitting long, that's what you're going to be looking for. And again, where's your stop loss going to be? It's got to be, if you're swinging below a previous candle's day low close. So for example, if you're swinging long today and price action tomorrow takes out 119.80s, you're out. If you're swinging today and we were to lose 118.80s, you are out. So as long as you're trading higher above the previous day channel's low, you would continue to hold this trade with your potential being here at over this 122.10. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, I've got a new membership, Evolution Traders, where you guys can watch the daily live streams each and every single day live. It's less than $1 a day. Comes out to $12 a month. You have the opportunity to chat and talk with the other traders, ask me questions, watch my screen, so forth and so forth. If that's something that interests you, that link's down in the description box below. I still do have that lifetime mentorship package for gold members. However, I've been saying it now for quite some time. That price was due to get increased. That price doubled. So if you didn't catch on, I am sorry. But again, my time is just as valuable as yours, and I'm not looking to kind of take in a bunch of people and stretch myself too thin. I want to keep the room very private. I want to keep the room very, very focused. So again, the option is still there. The price is just increased. If you guys do want just the live trading webinars, that option is now available for you guys just to get on the live feed. Again, there's no mentorship that comes with that. There's no like personal one-on-ones. It's just live trading. You can ask some questions. You can talk to the rest of the guys. You can see my screen and kind of hear me ramble and rant during the live trading hours. Again, it's very beneficial for some people to kind of see and hear what others are doing. So if that is something that interests you, that link is down in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.